Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is the equation 3x square minus 12x plus 11 plus 1 by 5 x cube minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0 has option A exactly one root in the interval 1, 2, option B exactly two distinct roots in the interval 1, 2, option C exactly three distinct roots in the interval 1, 2, and option D no roots in the interval 1, 2. Well, so we have been given that fx is equal to this function. Now let us take gx to be this part. So gx is equal to x cube minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6. Then g dash x is equal to 3x squared minus 12x plus 11, and g double dash x is equal to 6x minus 12. And fx is equal to g dash x plus gx by 5, and thus f dash x is equal to g double dash x plus g dash x by 5. Now taking x is equal to 1, we get g1 is equal to 0 and g dash 1 is equal to 2 and g2 is equal to 0 and g dash 2 is equal to minus 1. So using these we get f1 is equal to 2, and using this equation we get f2 is equal to minus 1. Also g0 is equal to minus 6 and g dash 0 is equal to 11, and using this we get f0 is equal to 11 minus 6 by 5, that is equal to 49 by 5. So the graph can be such this is x-axis, this is the y-axis. 2 goes from minus 1, 1, 2. So f0 is 49 by 5, that is 9.8. So somewhere above here. And then f1 is equal to 2. So at f1 this is 2, and f2 it is minus 1. So the graph is such, the curve is such. Now from here we can see that there is exactly one root between 1 and 2. So the correct option is option A, that is exactly one root in the interval 1, 2.